are 6 steps for writing a literature review. Number 1 is identify and define the topic that you will be reviewing. So you have to identify and clearly define the topic that you will be reviewing, so you can set your goals and scope for your research. Number 2 is conduct literature search by using various sources like academic journal, books, thesis, and critical article which related to your topic. Number 3 is read through the research that you have found and take notes. So you have to take detailed notes on key points, ideas, and main arguments that related to your topic. Number 4 is organize your findings by making an outline. So you can create your outline and then choose subheadings or sections in your to include in your literature research. And then number 5 is write the literature review itself, edit, revise, and as needed. So you can start writing the literature review and you can revise as you're needed. And then the last step is incorporate literature review into your research paper draft. And then there are 3 sources for literature review. Number 1 is academic journal, is research article from expert in the field. Number 2 is books, which references that provide basic theories or concepts. And then number 3 is thesis. Thesis is in-depth research by graduate students.